What are you doing, man? What are you doing?
I'm walking, man. What you doing, man?
I'm walking here, too.
Man, I'm trying to get down here. You know, that place is really far compared to over there, which is such a short distance, man. And plus, I saw you turn the corner, man.
You know what? You know what?
Oh, so you want to challenge me to golf off now,
Yeah,
huh?
huh? Yeah,
You want to challenge me to golf off? Well, yeah, I bet you can't be this. I took a shitload out of you, man.
Alright, here we go.
Oh, you think you're something special now, aren't you?
Yeah, I do.
You think you're really such as that? Well, beat this, son!
Alright, let's try. Ready?
Oh wait, it's recording. Oh.
Come home. Oh wait.
Man,
what are you doing?
I'm walking here. What you doing?
Yes, man, are you kidding me?